Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dive into the exciting world of corporate filings. Today we are cracking open a Form 8K from Provident Financial Services. Usually these reports are about as thrilling as watching paint dry, but let's see if we can find some interesting nuggets. This one's dated April 24, 2025, so it is pretty recent. Let's find out what Provident Financial has been up to. Think of this as corporate archaeology, where we dig through the layers to unearth what's really going on. This report tells us about a few key things. First, they're sharing their financial results for the first 3 months of 2025. We will definitely check those numbers to see how they are doing. Second, they've announced a dividend for their shareholders. Always nice for the people who own the stock. Let's jump in and see what the story is. Provident Financial Services is a Delaware-based company, as you can see here. They are big enough to be tracked by the SEC with the file number provided. They are located in Jersey City, New Jersey. Okay, basic info is done. Let's dig into the good stuff. Here we see that Provident Financial Services has common stock listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol PFS. This just confirms that they are a publicly traded company, making them subject to SEC rules. Alright, let's get to the meat of the report. The company issued a press release about their financial results for the 3 months that ended in March of 2025. We will need to look at the exhibit to see those numbers, so let's keep going for now. The report says the press release is furnished, not filed, meaning that it's provided to the SEC but isn't considered official legal documentation in the same way that a filed document would be. Okay, here's more. The company's board declared a quarterly cash dividend of 0.24 share. This dividend is going to be paid on May 30, 2025 to anyone who owns the stock as of May 16, 2025. Dividends are a way for companies to reward their shareholders. It means the company is making enough money that it can share a portion of its profits. Again, this dividend announcement was also part of the press release. Let's get to that press release. Here we go, Exhibit 99.1, the press release, with all the juicy details. This press release announces the financial results for the first quarter and the dividend. Let's pretend we are Warren Buffett and dive into those numbers. I don't see a specific financial table here, and the release is just PR, so we can't decode much with the little details we have here. Now let's step back and think about what this report tells us. Provident Financial Services is doing well enough to pay a dividend, which is a good sign. It shows they have cash available and are confident in their future earnings. The stock is traded on the NYSE, which confirms it's not some small operation. However, without seeing the actual financial numbers, it's hard to say exactly how strong their performance is. We don't know how their profits compare to last year or what their growth rate looks like. It could be a sign that they are just maintaining, or it could be a sign that they are thriving. Provident Financial Services seems to be on a steady course. The dividend is a nice perk for investors, and the fact that they are sharing their financial results means they are keeping up with their obligations, that there's not much to criticize with the numbers we have here, other than the fact that we do not have many. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give us a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. Until next time, keep decoding.